Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do this you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which you can find here at the bottom edge of your device. So what you have to do is to just put this tool inside the hole on the slot, not next to the slot, not this hole, but this one. Slightly press it and the slot will pop out. Then you can eject it with your bare hands. So here you have slots on the both sides. On one you have SIM 1 and on other you have SIM 2. So let's insert SIM 1 this time. And then put it back into your device, just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.